Welcome to our guide on backyard pathway ideas. Whether you have a sprawling garden or a cozy backyard, pathways can transform your outdoor space by adding structure, function, and beauty. Stone pathways are a classic choice for backyards. They offer a natural look and can be designed in a variety of patterns, from stepping stones to intricate mosaics. Gravel pathways are easy to install and maintain. They provide a casual, relaxed look and work well in both formal and informal garden settings. Brick pathways add a touch of traditional charm to your backyard. The warm tones of brick create a cozy, welcoming feel, making them perfect for garden paths and patios. Wooden boardwalks are ideal for gardens with a natural or rustic theme. They blend seamlessly with the surrounding landscape, creating a cohesive, organic look. Flagstone pathways offer a sturdy, durable option for backyard paths. The irregular shapes and natural colors of flagstone create a unique, artistic look. Cobblestone pathways bring a touch of European charm to your backyard. Their textured surface and rounded shapes make them an attractive choice for both classic and modern gardens. Stepping stone pathways are a simple yet effective way to create a path through your garden. They can be made from a variety of materials, including stone, concrete, and wood. For a creative and artistic touch, consider a mosaic pathway. Using colorful tiles or stones, you can create intricate patterns and designs that add personality to your garden. Combining gravel and stone in your pathway design adds texture and visual interest. This mix can be used to define different areas of your backyard and create a layered, dynamic look. Concrete pathways are versatile and durable, making them a popular choice for modern gardens. They can be poured in various shapes and patterns, allowing for custom designs. Mulch pathways are a natural, eco-friendly option for garden paths. They are easy to install and maintain, providing a soft, organic surface that blends well with the surrounding landscape. Pebble pathways offer a soft, textured surface that's easy to walk on. They are a great choice for creating informal, meandering paths through your garden. Edging helps define your pathways and keeps materials like gravel and mulch in place. You can use materials such as stone, brick, or metal to create a clean, polished look. From natural stone to modern concrete, there's a pathway style to suit every backyard. Choose materials and designs that complement your garden and reflect your personal style, creating a beautiful, functional outdoor space.